My name is Matt Herzog. I am the current president of the Minnesota Fall Maintenance Expo. This year we saw quite a good uptick in our attendance. We're going to run between our general attendance, our vendors, and our City of St. Cloud staff. Will be up around 1,900 people on Thursday, and we're anticipating between 1,600 and 1,700 on Thursday. So we cater a lot to the city, state, and county employees of Minnesota and Wisconsin. A big draw here for us is not only our vendors that get to see new equipment and new technologies that help make our jobs a lot easier. A big part of the classroom section, which is put on by LTAP, is a lot of ongoing training for most city, state, and county employees to continue education or to learn new things or to work on retirement accounts, etc. Anything that kind of has to do with public works or construction environment.
Well, the Fall Expo is a really good turnout for all the municipalities and all the cities and counties to come out and check out all of our different truck equipment. And there's plenty of vendors out here that definitely have a wide variety of different pieces.
Sure. What you see over there is the Mantis mower. That's a 155 horsepower unit, a boom mower. It does have the capability for a 3-point hitch attachment in the front, as well as runoff hydraulic, as well as PTO. So a lot of variabilities on attachments for skid steer attachments, as well as snow blower. You can put another mower on. You can actually pull on the back as well, boom mower. And then what we have in front of us is our steerable pipe ranger. So this can go up to 84 inches of pipe for sewer, as well as this is a compact for lateral launch. So we can see up in the laterals in people's homes as well. Fantastic event. Cannot wait to start planning for next year. Our VP of Sales and Marketing is here with us, and he's just getting up good information, good ideas for next year, so we can kind of go all out and just be a good spot for us to call home.
So what we have here, LaValley Industries, we are attachment manufacturers for a multitude of different prime movers. We're here today displaying our very first pole manipulator designed especially for light poles of all kinds of sizes, round poles, octagon poles, square poles, any kind of pole. It's a pole manipulator, the PM1000. Yep, so this is the first of its kind. And we're inventors of a lot of new attachments, so we're really proud to debut it today at this expo here in St. Cloud. With pole setting, light poles in particular, trucks like these, like the one you see here behind me, the knuckle boom loader trucks, they travel around with usually a crew of 3 to 4 people to set light poles, replace light poles on the job site. Now, with the Pole Manipulator 1000, you're able to roll up on site with one person and a belly pack and operate, set these poles into position, pick the old light pole up and put it on the truck and drive away.